Model, 2018 Renault Master Formula Edition LM35dCi 130 No Cat needs turbo Euro 6 ULEZ. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 274,113. MOT, the 11th of January 2025. Engine, 2299 cc M9TC7 front-wheel drive 130. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, 2 keys, air con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.